Welcome to Top 5 Farmed Animals of the Week, plus one random bonus video. Here we go. At number 5, you know how cats hide their heads and think their whole body is hidden? It looks like this cow feels the same. He's like, nobody can see me. At number 4, this rooster is angry at how chickens were portrayed in the movie Moana. Thank you for taking Hey Hey down. At number 3, notoriously, goats hate getting wet. So this goat decided to dive in the pool without the water. The goat above is like, what are you doing? At number 2, this cow is in for a surprise, chasing a duck. Wait for it. Not what he was expecting. Here's a bonus clip of a chihuahua supposedly leading a pack of wolves. Funny how the chihuahua has a collar on in the wilderness. Obviously AI, but still cute. And our number 1 video of the week, this little girl is performing ballet for a cow audience, and they seem keenly interested. But to be honest, they have nowhere else to be. Thanks for watching, and remember, farmed animals are your friends.